The hot, sexy 2018 Toyota Camry is about the furthest thing from a Camry that you can imagine.
That's right, baby.
And that takes some getting used to. So, we're here to help.
Get ready to love it for all the wrong reasons.
Love lesson number 7, how to be a better driver without even driving.
Ooh, that's deep.
That's right. The 2018 Camry can help you become a better driver before you even get in your car, thanks to Toyota Safety Sense.
Tell me more, baby.
Lane departure alert with steering assist is designed to remind you to move back into your lane whenever you stray out of yours.
Don't you go straying on me.
And our pre-collision with pedestrian detection system can help you avoid having to use the term post-collision.
Stop in the name of love.
So, with the Toyota Camry Safety Sense system, you might feel like you had some extra driving lessons.
Class dismissed.
The 2018 Toyota Camry. You're gonna love it.
For all the wrong reasons, baby.